this avidemux works. Okay, so it's free of charge. You can download it on this website, and it looks like this. Okay, so if I open this up, it's a very simple interface. It should also work on PCs, but this is how it looks like on a Mac interface. So it's like this. You can use any video clip that you have, for example, a Boris Johnson clip right here. I'm just dragging and dropping it onto the interface. Okay. So when I press spacebar, it should play itself. So
seeing the devastating impact of this invisible killer.
Okay, say if I want to trim all the beginning bits, I just want to trim a certain bit. I will need to configure a starting point, and this is the start marker. So you click on it, A, and this blue box will appear indicating the start point. So if we click on play or press spacebar again.
And so tonight, I want to update you on the latest steps we're taking to fight the disease and what you can do to help.
Okay, say if I press spacebar again and stop there, I want this part to be trimmed. So you can see there's only this part I would like to keep, right? So I would just press B or the end timer, okay? So once this is being defined, you can start saving it. Make sure the output format is MP4 Muser, okay, MP4. And then you would click save and just name it. Save, and it should work. So let's try to open this up. New test file.
Seeing the devastating impact of this invisible killer. And so tonight, I want to update you on the latest steps we're taking to fight the disease and what you can do to help.
So you can see that section was clipped as how I wanted it. All right, so it's that simple. Basically, in Zoom, you have this entire clip of your students. So define the starting point A, then the end point B, and save it. And keep doing this until you have saved all your students' clips. That's it.